This here is a 1976 Tamiya 934. This is one I painted in this paint scheme. I think I say it right, the Tebenham, but more importantly, this is the chassis. It's an old style chassis. This one's a new built original. What we're looking at is making these brass parts here. They're, yeah, like I say, chrome plated, pretty much exact copies for parts that you just can't find nowadays to complete these lovely cars. So yeah, let's get down to the workshop and build some brackets. I have a couple of original parts here off the bumper that I keep in my little box when I come to this job every now and then. So we got this part, 10mm by 5 thread here. Eight. And some 5mm stock. So we got the first part done, the easy part. Got a small batch of these ones. 1, 2, 3 pairs, nice and easy. Let's move on to this part. So this is a 5mm stock here. We've got a 2.1 hole here. Got a thread. We'll drill down in there. Where's the depth of it? 7mm depth. Drill down and then we'll tap it, part it. So let's move over to the lathe, get 6 of those done. Okay, we have 6 of those done. I've got the thread. All that's left to do is this small side hole. I'm going to set this up in the mill, take you over to the mill and show you how I do it. Okay, this is what I do to set this one up. So I'm going to grab a couple of parallels. Just loosely grab that like that, that'll do. Let's get the part on standby. Okay, so I'm going to get the drill bit, and we have a 2.1 mil drill bit here. Chuck that up. Over. And let's bring our machine down. Perfect. Let's get generally lined up here. Scoot around the camera. Right, what I need to do is I'm going to loosen that off a bit. Bit more so it's free. Guide that down so that's level. Okay, make sure that just goes really nicely through. The hole's there. Needs a tweak. Yep, there we go. Yep, I like that. Let's lock the bed down. Now what I can do is I can grab the part, put the screw in. Literally, the depth is already set. It's a bit cack-handed here, but I'll hold it in. Drill. It's through one side, through the other. Take it out. Preset depth, both sides. And I can just grab another part straight in. There's our small little batch of parts done. Our original there. So let's go up to fit them on the bumper. Okay, we're back. We've machined our parts. We got our bumper. You can see in comparison here. Pop that in there. So this batch here, I forgot that I made. I just had it in my stock. But there is actually a, well, you see the difference. This is obviously aged brass. This is new brass. It'll age once the air gets to it. But there is a way to age down brass with white vinegar and hydrogen peroxide. You have to get the mix right, and then it doesn't really take too long to start aging the brass. I'm not going to do that on these parts because they'll just naturally age, but if you wanted it to put it on display and bring a few decades of wear and tear or out in the air, then that's how you do it. But let's fit one up onto the bumper and show you. I fitted one on this used chassis that I have so I could just show you, but I have some, fortunately, some original hardware screws and washers. Can't focus, but you can see how that fits. Just clamps it on. Nice old style bumper. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.